I don't know if people are really ever ready to be moms. I think anything can really prepare you for it, but you just gotta do it. You just kind of step up and you're like, I'm a mom. I'm gonna kick butt. So today was interesting. All dressed up, dress in heels. We had like the best dessert. Like I only eat chocolate dessert and I ate the whole thing. So I left the event and so I was like, I'm gonna go get my nails done. And as I'm getting my nails done, I'm already like really tired for some reason. I just got really hot all of a sudden, drenched in sweat. Everything just went black. I just completely blacked out. I feel like it was like just black for like 2 minutes. I felt a little bit better, came back home. I've just like been resting a little bit. The amount of people that have messaged me and said, my girlfriend found out she was pregnant from fainting at a nail salon. That's how my girlfriend found out that she was pregnant. Like there's multiple people that have had that happen. So at first I was like, oh my gosh, that's funny. And then,
hold up.
Boy.
I feel like every single month we have gone through this exact situation where you're like, oh my gosh, like I don't feel good. You're like, I crave chocolate. And you're like, I'm pregnant.
I do not.
You've gone through it like last month. And I keep being like, hey, this happens every month. Like, why don't you just remember?
Okay, so what he's talking about is that a lot of times, like once a month, I'll get like in a really bad mood and I'll complain, but my pants don't fit, like boobs will be really sore or whatever. He's always like, oh, well maybe it's about to be your girl time. I'll be like, no, it's not. But it always ends up being my girl time. This is different, babe. Oh my gosh, maybe that's why the dogs have been like obsessed with me lately.
Look at Lola, her head's buried in a corner. Hazel just wants you to throw that ball.
No, but they've been obsessed with me.
This is how paranoia happens. She's being paranoid. Everyone just needs to calm down.
Should you go to the store? I'm actually serious.
Really? Are we not joking now?
Yeah. I think you need to go. Babe, let's put this to rest.
I'm gonna get a value pack of pregnancy tests so that we can do this next month too.
Run, 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 run.
That was quick.
Who's pregnant?
What'd you get?
We got a chicken
Oh.
and an 8-pack.
8-pack.
One says positive. We'll try another one. We'll keep going until we get the right answer that we want. Do you have to pee? Go outside. I have a pee-pee corner.
How does this work? I don't get it.
Tip of test in urine for 5 seconds.
Well, I need a cup.
Aren't you just supposed to pee on it?
I don't know if I can pee for 5 seconds. Look at this little cup.
Babe, I think these are ovulation tests.
Jordan Ramirez, are you freaking kidding me?
Seven ovulation tests in one pregnancy. Here, take the pink one. What if you would have come back positive because you probably are ovulating and we would have flipped out for like an entire night?
Honestly.
Okay, but like save your real pee-pee for the pregnancy test.
Well, let's stick them both in there.
Oh, you're gonna pee in a cup. Okay, cool. Oh, like college. For the record, I really don't think Dani is pregnant, which is kind of why we're being like, or at least I am being lighthearted about this. I'm not against kids, I just don't want them right now. All right, 2 lines bad, 1 line good.
Okay, so what does it mean if it just looks like a Pokemon ball?
Is that 2 lines? What?
Half and half. You come to
Is
the
that
natural
2?
light.
You're kidding me, that's not 2 lines.
Come over here. Let's go by the natural light. Okay, wait, look, see? There's 2 lines. There's like, it's dark, but then 1. Okay, it's 1 line.
Not cool, babe. Not cool. Babe, so you want some chicken? Eat up, you non-pregnant, hot, sexy wife. There you go.
I don't know what's worse, not being pregnant or not having a reason to blame all these psycho things happening to your body.
You're fainting all over the place, eating chocolate for breakfast.
What are you talking about? I never
do?
had chocolate for breakfast. What are you making these things up?
This whole thing was about
gum on camera.
Babe,
What?
this is how you get
I know.
when it's your girl time. Every month we go through this. You get really mean.
Well, you're smacking gum like in front of me and in front of them. Anyway, so how old do you want to be when you have a kid? 30? Is that like the perfect age? So I would be 28.
Yeah.
That's in 3 years. So I feel like that's perfect. If we can just make sure that our birth control works till then.
Don't ever touch me again. You stay 20.